Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style.
The anticipation is over. We are here.
Hello, and thanks for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. For today's cooking segment, today we're going to have a flavorful chicken salad. I tell you what, chicken salad, the base of your chicken salad, where your flavor is, it's going to come from the meat itself. So if you get enough flavor in that meat, you're going to have a slamming chicken salad. So what we have here today is 4 tablespoons of onion powder, 4 tablespoons of garlic powder, 4 tablespoons of Creole seasoning, 4 bouillon cubes, a teaspoon of black pepper, 4 tablespoons of paprika. I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice, fresh lemon juice from a half of a lemon. We're going to bring this to a boil, and while we're bringing this to a boil, we'll go ahead and cut up all of our other ingredients for our chicken salad today. We also have 4 eggs here. We're going to put those in once this comes to a good boil. We're going to boil those for about 6 minutes. So let's cut up our vegetables. Okay, so while our chicken is boiling, we're going to go ahead and dice up our vegetables. We have bell peppers, celery, onions, cilantro, grapes. We have almonds. This is our mayo that we're gonna put in there. Paprika. We have a 1/3 cup of sugar, salad cubes, honey mustard, some croissant rolls, and some grapes. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and remove our chicken. Our eggs are still boiling. They have a few more minutes. We're gonna let that cool, and then we'll pull all the meat off the bone. I'm gonna show you a little trick you can do with these eggs. Instead of taking time to peel them, you can just cut your egg right down the middle like that. And you can take a spoon and slide it down there like that, and then your egg is peeled. Simple. I've already started on it, but we're gonna go ahead and peel the meat from the bones for the chicken salad. So I'm just going to take 2 forks and just start to shred my chicken from the bone for my chicken salad until I have it all shredded. Okay, so we have finished shredding and cutting up all of our chicken for our chicken salad. So now it's time for us to add it to the rest of our stuff. Alright, so here we have our grapes, celery, onions, bell peppers, almonds. We're going to go ahead and add our chicken to this. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add our eggs. I have sweet salad cubes. I'm just going to go ahead and add the whole jar. Try not to get all of the juice so it won't be too wet. Okay, I have my sugar. Some more paprika. Two cups of mayo, but if I need more or if you want less, you can add more or less depending on how creamy you like yours. I think I'm pretty satisfied with the creaminess and the texture of that, so I won't add any more. So that was about 1.5 cups. Now I'm going to add some more lemon juice, fresh squeezed lemon juice, half of a lemon. And a little honey spicy mustard. Okay, and we'll add some salt. And pepper. And that's it. You should smell it. It smells absolutely delicious. We're going to eat ours on croissant buns. But you should definitely try this recipe at home.
Thanks for cooking with Making Artistic Recipes Kitchen Style. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks.